Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock powder at home. It's a fantastic way to use up leftover chicken and create a powerful flavor enhancer for your dishes. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the chicken to blending it into a fine powder. This homemade stock powder is not only delicious, but also helps reduce food waste, giving you a convenient ingredient always ready in your pantry. Let's get started on this simple and rewarding culinary project. First, you'll need about 1 pound of cooked chicken. You can boil, roast, or even use leftover rotisserie chicken. Once cooked, shred the meat into very small, uniform pieces. The key here is to get it as fine as possible to ensure thorough drying. Next, spread the shredded chicken on a baking sheet or dehydrator tray. Dehydrate it at a low temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours until it's completely dry and brittle. This step is crucial for a good powder. Now for the exciting part, turning your dried chicken into powder. Transfer the brittle chicken pieces to a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend until it forms a very fine powder. Next, it's time to add some flavor. Incorporate about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. A touch of 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric can add a nice color. Blend everything again until it's perfectly combined and smooth. Once your chicken stock powder is ready, proper storage is essential to maintain its freshness and potency. Transfer the finished powder to an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in a cool, dark pantry, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When you're ready to use it, simply mix about 1 tablespoon of powder with 1 cup of hot water for a quick and flavorful broth. It's also fantastic sprinkled directly into your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.